Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror. This is so scary. This is the bean one. Alright, I'm going to do this. I can do this. I can do this. No!
Okay, let's show him right from there.
Oh my god! I hear it! It's over there!
Where?
It's over there.
I heard him.
Open the freaking door, bro. We're all gonna die.
I'm turning it off.
No! I'm about to crash out. How? This ain't fair. I ran for my life.
That's
Why
not
you
fair.
gotta slime out?
He just got slimed out.
Bro, how did I survive that?
I don't hear
I
him.
was getting chased by the bean from all the way from long.
No! Open the door! Open the door!
It's
Fine.
open. It's open. Me.
Don't spawn Ken. Don't spawn Ken.
Hello?
Don't spawn Ken.
Yo, guys, what a beautiful day it is.
No, I heard that before. I know.
Yo, shut up, bro.
Open the door!
Yeah.
Open these
Oh, my bad, guys.
Monkey.
Wow. Run! No, wait, did I actually heard about that? No, please.
What?
Listen, Dad.
I
Don't
hope
say
I
that.
get died.
Guys, it's not gonna be done. Guys, it's not gonna be done.
He's not coming. You're actually
Bro,
delusional.
someone go on the other side of death, bro. How
Okay,
come you guys
go on.
only come here?
The bean can't get stuck anymore. That's its rule.
Guys,
It
say
can't get
Christmas
stuck
if you
anymore.
see the bean.
No,
Say
it can't.
How's that a
Christmas if
rule,
you see the bean.
Who that say?
Christmas.
He's right. Oh my god. Oh, I need to take a breath. I'm tired. Yeah, that was scary.
Pride. Zoinks.
Shut up.
Jinkies.
You're not Scooby Doo.
Scooby Doo.
You suck so much.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
That's why I'm searching.
He's stuck somewhere.
Jeepers.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna
He's
die.
in a wall.
Wait, is it a wall?
Yo, if I die, just remember the word.
He didn't.
Yo, who put?
Oh no, the bean.
The beans spawn. I saw it go.
Oh my god.
Beans spawn. I think he's heading to death.
No, please. Oh, you just saved my life. He's not going to death, actually. No, I mean, long, actually.
He's going too long? Oh my gosh, guys, he's going too
I hear him.
No, that's someone doing it.
He's going for that way.
That is not.
Let's go for it. Do not open that door. Do not open that door. You ding dong! I told you not to open the door.
What's wrong with his arm?
He can come through there.
You're gay!
What?
That's the last words I heard before being chased.
Yo, I can hear. Wait, was that person? It's
He's
just
probably
somebody
back
knocking.
there.
I hear the bean.
It's probably
Yeah, that's just you knocking, buddy.
Olahi, bro.
Wait, some guy
Say
told me
wallahi,
if
bro,
I swing
say
my head
wallahi.
back, I can
Oh,
turn
wallahi,
invisible.
bro.
Should I try it?
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Say
What?
bro. Say wallahi.
Olahi. I don't even know how to say it anymore.
She was a berry. Little boy.
Yo, if I die,
I'm eating a big juicy strawberry.
Fairy.
What
What
is
is
nice and juicy?
Can nobody curse?
Someone
I'm
say
making a
good
video.
Yeah, say good
Can
night
nobody
really
curse?
fast when you see the bean.
Please.
Yeah, we're cooked. We're dead.
Can nobody curse?
Leave.
Because I'm recording.
We're all dead.
If you see the bean, say Tung Tung Slushy. If you see the bean, say Tung Tung Slushy.
Everyone, if you see the
Wally,
beans,
bro,
start
say
screaming
Wally,
grenades
say
really fast.
Bro, he's
Should I be
being
knocking out that
chill.
word?
Everyone, when you see the beans, scream
there?
grenade 10 times really fast.
I'm just gonna scream chicken tenders! Chicken tenders! I'm dead. I'm dead. Why am I always last, bruh? Oh, I just ran right into a wall. Bro, why am I always dead? Like, I'm always in last. And I die.
Open
Help me!
Dang, son!
I'm not the
No, I scream like a little girl. I need to stop, bruh. I'm tired of going to the same loop.
No! Oh,
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
So now open that door. Stop that door.
He's not there. He's not there, little bum bum.
Such a pretty butt.
What?
Stick my voice, stick my voice. Have you seen him?
Which way is it coming from?
Why is there so many lights?
Oh
my god! Oh my god!
Fine.
Guys, he's over there. He's over there. He's over here. He's over here. He's over there. He's over there in death. He's in death. He's in death over there. No, he's not.
Really? Really?
No, he's not. Oh, yes, he is. Oh, yes, he
I died. I was so close. But that idiot had to close the door. Oh my god. Bro, I'm tired of all these people that just spam close
can't
these
get in here.
doors.
Because it's a computer. Oh my god!
Like Skittles, though.
Open the door, you Nick.
Oh my gosh, bro! I heard him, bro!
My butthole is clenched.
Monkey marathon from front.
We're both
Guys, monkey marathon.
Alright, monkey marathon, guys. You gotta break that back.
Monkey marathon. Monkey
Come on, monkey marathon,
From
monkey
front,
marathon. Come on.
Monkey marathon from back
Everybody.
to front. Monkey marathon. Monkey marathon.
Alright.
Monkey marathon.
Monkey marathon. Monkey
We
marathon.
will find the bean. Monkey marathon.
Monkey marathon.
We will find the bean.
Kiss me on my hot
Oh shoot.
Guys, you gotta run, bro.
Oh my gosh. Why are people getting chased?
Do 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 do.
You better get in that door and close it.
What?
Oh, not the back. Open the door, please. The back's
Don't
open.
open the door.
Throw it back.
Back's open. Open the door. Run! I'm dead. Where's that coming?
He said
It's
he
not
said it's
coming.
not coming.
It
He
went to
said
death, probably.
he said it's not coming. He said it's not coming.
And
We're
then
fine.
imagine we turn the corner and we all just die.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that. No, I'm going to investigate.
No! You're gonna bring it over here. Don't bring it over here.
Yeah, no,
Open
I'm
the
not doing that.
door.
I ain't doing that.
Door
So we know he's down
hogger.
there, so that means he can come
Door
down here.
hogger. You're a door hogger.
I just don't want to die.
Holy nutsack!
Holy potato mom.
No, my controller's dead.
Please. He's bro, the only one that died was right here. That's crazy, bro.
Open
Only
the
one
door.
person died.
Why would you open the door?
Yeah, guys,
You
why would open the
ding
door?
dong!
That's stupid.
They went in back. They went in back. They went in back.
They did?
Yeah, they did.
Back. Hey,
Yeah, they're in
Bean.
back.
I
They're in
don't
back.
like camping spawn. I only go there whenever I'm frightened.
Yeah, they
I'm,
went
like,
in
sitting
front
right in
and they
front of
both
it.
died because the bean went
So like,
backwards.
if I'm
It's
like
probably
just
in back
walking
now.
out of the door, and then I see the monster go, "Meow,"
The bean.
I'm
they
running
died.
back.
The people that the bean was
Same with the
chasing.
other side. If I walk out and I just see him go, "Meow," I'm
The
dipping.
bean's definitely in back. I saw.
We must
Probably
keep
over
an eye
here.
on front of me as well.
Bean's right over here, probably. No,
Yeah,
I
he's
heard
probably
it
gonna
go
come
this
from
way.
down
It
there.
went
Go
this
check.
way. It went this way.
Oh my God! I was right.
You're
I was
lying.
right. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead too. My my butthole's so clenched.
They went to that
I
hallway.
can't die. I can't die.
I told you.
I can't die. I'm too important to the world.
No, you're not.
The door's open.
Oh.
Come over here.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh my God. Oh
Because
my
he's not
God.
coming.
My
my
butthole's so
No,
clenched.
look. You look behind you. He's not coming.
Yeah, you guys are so blind.
Shots, I saw two big eyes.
Yeah, you saw two big eyes as you were looking backwards when nothing was
Maybe
there.
recircled.
Oh, wait, he went the other way. He went the other way. He went the other way.
Bro,
He's
Oh
he's
my
scared of
God,
us. He's
y'all
scared
need
of
to
us.
stop.
He's scared of us.
I swear.
The bean
We
is scared
run
of
too
us.
fast, bro.
Nah, he's just scared of us.
Bro,
Are you sure?
why you closing?
Just take a run for it.
Run, run, run.
What? What? What?
Yo,
Open
wait,
the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Yes, we survived.
Bro, he's not coming, you fucking liars.
I know.
We're not lying. How
Nah,
would you
nah,
know
you're
he's
lying,
not
bro, you're
dying?
lying.
I saw him die.
He's
I
not
saw
even
him die.
chasing you.
I don't
Bro,
even
he
care
ran
with
past
everybody.
there. He ran past there. Stay forward sometimes.
Oh, nigga.
Sorry guys for ending it like this. I will do a part 2 soon.